trying to differentiate my work from other journalists out there. And then, of course, a personal need that I had to try to solve people, which I don't know if it's possible, but I'm certainly still trying.
It's interesting, to solve people. What do you mean by that?
I loved in math class where you'd be working on a math problem and the teacher would be like, okay, here's a formula for you, right? It was like being given a cipher, it was like the most powerful thing. And I thought, what if there was a cipher for people? Like, what if there was a formula for people? And so I have something that I call the matrix, which is a little bit different than the Keanu Reeves matrix, which I believe that every person has a cipher. They have a set of values that you can solve about them, that if you turn it in the right ways, you can figure out how to figure out their motivations, how to figure out their values, how to speak to them so that they'll listen, how to make them feel loved. And so that's the closest I've come to actually solving people. And it's the only way that I've found to interact successfully.
And when you say solve, though, are you saying to be able to have like a useful interaction, or?
To not be so baffled by people's choices.
Okay,
so I don't know if this is a pain point for you, but I was constantly feeling like I didn't understand where people were coming from, or they would be making choices and I didn't understand why, especially with friendships. And so I found that if I can figure out how they're coded, how they're wired, no longer do their decisions and their actions become baffling.
Right. So